Hey, what's up guys, it's Fisayo here and I'm right here for the launch of the TECNO Camon 11 Pro here at the Oriental Hotel. And in this video, I'm going to be taking you through the hands-on with the TECNO Camon 11 Pro and all the features of the device. Without further ado, let's get to the video. TECNO just launched two devices, the Camon 11 and 11 Pro, and the main differences between both devices are seen in the RAM, cameras and body design. I'll start with the design and the display. The display of both the Camon 11 and 11 Pro are 6.2 inch 1500 by 720p displays, and from my initial impressions it felt okay in the hand and overall it was okay to look at. As far as display goes, it looked okay and it could have looked even better. On the bottom of the Camon 11 and 11 Pro, we have the speaker grills, the USB 2.0 charging port, microphone port and the headphone jack. On the right side we have the power button, the volume rockers, and on the left we have the SIM and SD card slot, while on top there's nothing there. The Camon 11 Pro comes with 60GB of RAM compared to 4GB of RAM on the Camon 11, and they both have 64GB internal storage, 2GHz octa-core processor by MediaTek. They run on Android 8.1 Oreo with TECNO's iOS skin, and they both have 3750 mAh batteries. On the front of the Camon 11 Pro, we have a 24MP AI clear selfie camera, while on the 11 we have a 16MP camera up front with proximity sensor, earpiece, and fun fact, the Camon 11 Pro shows a white light when it's charging, which is cool, but I'm not sure if it's got the notification LED lights though. I'll find out in my unboxing video. On the back we have the dual camera setup with quad flash for both devices, and for the 11 Pro it's got a 16+5MP camera setup, while for the Camon 11 we have a 13+2MP dual back camera setup. On the front camera you've got panorama mode, bokeh mode, beauty mode, AI camera which is the default mode with HDR, and then we have video mode. It's the same on the back camera with the addition of a super pixel mode which I'll be looking into in a later video. I took some sample shots with the camera around 9 PM indoors, so here's an idea of what to expect. They looked quite sharp on the phone and they're usable. The rear cameras were pleasant indoors, but I can't make much conclusions with these test shots. The Camon 11 Pro is priced at 76,000 Naira, which is approximately $210, while the Camon 11 is priced at 46,500 Naira or $125, and is cheaper than the Camon X, which is 56,500 Naira. And I think this reduction in price is basically the trade-up of that FHD 1080p display. But do let me know what you guys think. So that's pretty much it for the TECNO Camon 11 Pro. Let me know what you guys think about this device in the comment section down below. Let's have a conversation. I'll be happy to answer any question or reply or comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.